Alright guys, we're going to do some more exhaust work today. In order for me to drive a Spirit Peaks, I have to have a muffler, so I can't run the certain setup I have right now. But I didn't want to run the stock, like total stock exhaust, because I wanted to have like a little bit of noise just to know where I am like in the rev ranges. So the plan is, I'm going to take this old back part of the exhaust and just chop out the resonator and then weld in a pipe in the middle. Alright, I'm going to try and make it so we have to use the least amount of pipe possible. So since we're going to cut there, and we're going to cut right there, it's about like 13 inches of pipe we'll need. I'll probably just pick up like a 2-foot section just so I have a little bit extra left over. Yeah, so we're gonna run over to Cut Rate Auto Parts real quick, pick up some pipe, and then we'll get right back at it. Alright, we made it back from Cut Rate. I thought they were gonna have a little bit better of a pipe selection, but they ended up not. So I ended up having to get 2 of these 2 1/4 inch connectors. The reason being, I didn't think it was gonna be able to fit, and it doesn't. But it's just close enough to where I think I might just use one pipe and then just shorten the exhaust like an inch or 2. We're just gonna cut this out, weld this boy in, then hopefully it should all fit back up into the car fine. We tried to check the clearances to make sure it wouldn't like interfere with anything, and it sounds like it should be all right. So yeah, let's get to hacking this thing up and let's get it welded up. Alright, so we got the pipe all prepped up. Took a little bit of an injury in the process. This is why you wear gloves, so you don't fuck up your fingers. Sick. Now, I'm just gonna cut this section right here.
No, the concrete.
Oh no!
The concrete.
Oh, and it's off.
Yeah.
Finally.
Nah, just weld it like that.
Huh?
Just weld it like that.
Now that we got that off, where's the pipe at? Every time. I didn't take him out to the out there, did I? See, you see them sitting right there. Were you filming this entire time? No. I don't know, I guess they look like water bottles? I don't fucking know. I saw those pipes, but I thought you guys... Yeah. It's whatever. Now that we have the pipe, the plan. This should... Okay, it doesn't quite slide on, but it sits there nicely. We're gonna put that there. And just take this and put that there. It's gonna sit like that. It's gonna sit like that. Sound good.
Simple.
Yeah, it's simple.
I like simple.
Easy. Let's just hope everything lines up. Covered.
Let me know when it's all lined up. I'm joking. Right there.
Perfect. That's perfect. Hold it there.
I can start teasing you now.
Good. I got that tucked. Bet.
Good?
Yeah, I think it's all good. Alright, so we got it all welded up. All somewhat pretty like. I'm pretty happy with my weld. Alright, got the old exhaust off. Now we're gonna test fit the new pipe we have and try and get this clocked right. Oh my god, get on there. There we go. Okay. Alright, now we need to get the other part of the exhaust up in here. And we need a Sharpie. Can't forget the Sharpie. Alright, so I'm just gonna like hold it up from like the tip, and I'm gonna try and just line it up for the back. Alright, yeah, that's like perfect. Hold it there.
Yep.
I think that should be good enough marks.
How many did you do?
Huh? I just did 2 marks, like cut off from each other a little bit.
That should be fine, as long as you line them up.
Alright, sick. All right, so I got the rest of the exhaust welded up. It's all together now. Gabe had the bright idea. He wants to send a bottle rocket through it. I told him he's not gonna make it past the muffler, but
What if it pops?
it's no different than like a regular exhaust bang, I guess.
Yeah, this is a sound test. I'm moving straight away.
Watch it go in and pop back out and come back out into Marco's garage.
Oh my god.
Watch you. Oh, that was a dud.
Aww,
As it blows
man.
up in the face.
That was anticlimactic. Oh, round two. This man's tripping.
Oh,
Okay.
Bruh. What are the chances of both of them being duds? How old are those bottle rockets?
Old.
Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, that makes sense. There you go. That's as OEM looking as it gets, bro. Came from factory
I'm
like that.
saying,
No
dog.
resonator.
Look at that.
Clean. Look at those welds. Oh, those look so good. Bro, straight from factory. Telling you. Bet we'll give that time to dry a little bit and then we'll plop her up in the car. Alright, while that's waiting to dry, I figured I'd come and adjust the rear camber because I've been noticing I've been having a lot of wear on the outer edge compared to the inner edge. So I'm gonna put some more negative camber in the rear and then we'll see how it looks. It's pretty easy to adjust these camber arms. All you have to do is loosen the lock nuts on either side and then you just twist it from the middle to extend it or retract it. Alright, so I got this side adjusted. All I did is I extended it a little bit and then I did a measurement from the back of this nut to this little line right here, and I got 13 inches and 3/8. So I'm gonna just extend this side to match it. Alright, I got both sides adjusted, and it's looking like we should have a healthy little bit of negative camber in the rear. That should tone down the wear that I was getting on the outside of the tire. It'll probably give me a little more grip in the rear, but like it's not like I really need it. I really just need less grip. So who knows? Maybe I'll add even more camber later on. But now let's fit up the exhaust and see how this puppy sounds.
Oh yeah, he said he never
Alright, that's clamped on there now. Let go. Alright, we need to try and get that other side up, I think. Okay, so we're running into one problem right now. So since we had to like shorten the entire exhaust like an inch or two, these two mounting points in the back aren't wanting to clamp onto the muffler like they're supposed to. So we're kind of having to finagle it. I think we should be able to get it up there though. We'll figure it out. Alright, so we got the exhaust all up. Everything's attached. Now let's give her a first start.
All in Capital High School.
I'm kind of scared.
Oh,
that
no.
sounds the same. Wait. That's annoying. I mean, I guess it'll be alright. It'll be alright for the track, I guess. I don't like it. I have to use it for the track, though. Well, now what we can do if we want to, we can buy like some other muffler and just weld it on. So yeah, that might be the plan. I'll probably just pick up another muffler, just chop up the rest of this exhaust, and then weld it on. But that's not a pretty sound.
Japanese.
A little bit, yeah. All right, time to put the custom cat bag back on. Something kind of sad we found. Well, kind of sad, not really. It's just going to be annoying having to do this. But the diff is leaking ever so slightly. It's dripping just a tiny bit, so we're going to have to pull her back out and re-RTV it, which isn't too big of an issue. It's just it's just annoying to have to do it, but it's whatever. Got the car back on the ground. Got a little more camber in the rear. It's looking pretty even. Looking pretty good. Now I just need to get spacers for this thing because these tucked wheels are looking just ugly. Anyways, I think that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope y'all have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next one.